Ever try asking an AI to do two complex things at once? Like writing a polite email while pulling specific numbers from a massive spreadsheet. Usually, you end up staring blankly at your screen. The AI might give you a beautifully written email, but totally botch the math. Or it nails the calculations, but the writing sounds robotic. This happens because we treat AI like a single solitary brain. We expect one program to be a world-class writer, a master mathematician, and an expert coder all at the same time. Relying on one model to do everything creates a bottleneck. When the task gets complicated, the single brain hits a wall, and your productivity stops. In Tokyo, Sakana AI is taking a different path with a system called Fugu. They designed Fugu to be an AI orchestrator. Think of Fugu as a project manager. Instead of trying to know every fact in the universe to answer your question, it focuses entirely on directing traffic. In this network diagram, Fugu sits right in the middle, managing a pool of expert models like GPT 5.5, Claude Opus 4.8, and Gemini 3.1 Pro. Fugu analyzes your request, wakes up the right nodes, and supervises their work. Separating the management of a task from the execution changes how we use AI. We stop asking one program to be perfect and start building teams that cover for each other's weaknesses. To see how this works in a normal day, imagine it's 9 a.m. You have a quick office chore to finish, like summarizing the notes from your morning meeting. For this, you use standard Fugu. This version of the system is built for speed and quick answers. You select the standard option, type in your meeting notes, and get a clear, accurate summary back immediately. Behind the scenes, standard Fugu scans its pool and finds the single most efficient model for summarizing text. It clears the task without wasting energy on a massive, slow model you don't actually need. Matching the right tool to the right job keeps your morning moving. You finish routine problems faster while saving time and computer power. At 2 p.m., the work gets harder. Now you have a massive project, building a custom website from scratch. This is a job for Fugu Ultra. This version is designed for deep, multi-step reasoning and solving complex problems. Fugu Ultra takes your website request and breaks it down into smaller pieces. It sends the visual design to Claude and routes the database math to Gemini. GPT acts as proofreader, checking for errors. Finally, Fugu pieces it back together, handing you a flawless website. Because Fugu Ultra delegates tasks and has a team verify the work, it consistently beats any single model working alone on complex tests. If we zoom out from the individual desk, we can see how this strategy protects more than just one person's schedule. It gives a country like Japan what's called technological optionality. Essentially, it means they aren't locked into using just one specific tool. If a whole country relies on a single foreign AI provider, they are vulnerable. An outage or a sudden price hike could stop their entire economy. But because Fugu manages a pool of experts, it can simply swap in a replacement if one model fails. The system keeps running without missing a beat. By focusing on how different models work together, countries can build AI systems that are resilient and independent from any single provider. Use standard Fugu for quick daily chores and Fugu Ultra for the heavy, complex projects. Advancing in AI now means having a reliable manager to coordinate these digital experts and turn your ideas into a finished masterpiece.